Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to the search at the right bottom and then click at the search line at the top. Then write SOUNDPEATS and click search. And you should install this application what called SOUNDPEATS. Now open it. Click Allow right here to find these earbuds in the future. Then, if you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need it, click Do Not Allow. It's up to you. Then, click Agree and Continue. And we need to sign in into our account, or we can create a new one by clicking the Register. But I'm going to sign in. But as you can see right here, we also have it. So you can make it now. I'm going to speed up it for you. And I just wrote it, and then we need to click Login. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video we'll show you how to add these headphones to the application. So if you don't know how, you can check that video on our channel. See you later!